All right, what is going on, everybody? Welcome, welcome, welcome. First things first, I want to say thank you for your time. I appreciate your time and I respect your time. Now, with that being said, I'm going to run through this information fairly quickly. You see, today I'm going to be telling you guys about a way for you to make money from home without speaking to anyone and without stepping foot outside your door. But before we get into that, let me get into myself just a little bit, right? My name is Ty Rodriguez. I'm from New York City. And before I started investing, before I was able to travel the world, before I was able to impact thousands of lives, when I first saw this information you're about to see, I was 21 years old. I was living in a one-bedroom apartment with 5 other people, my mom, my dad, and my 3 siblings. I was working 2 jobs to support my entire family. You see, I wanted more out of life. I wanted more for my family. So I started to look for ways and places to park my money so that I can get a return on my investment, right? I wanted my money to actually make money for me. I wanted my money working for me. And I tried a whole bunch of different things. I tried wholesaling real estate, didn't go too well. I tried investing into ATM machines, didn't go too well. I even tried reselling sneakers, something very common in New York City where I'm from. And it went okay, but I didn't see the success that I wanted. See, I didn't see massive financial success in anything that I had done up until the point I reached this opportunity, up until the point I actually started trading the Forex market. You see, 4 months into trading the Forex market with this platform, I was able to retire from both of those jobs at age 21. That same year, I went on to purchase multiple properties using the income I had made trading the Forex market, right? So now, what is this Forex thing that this guy is talking about, right? What is this Forex thing that this guy keeps saying? Well, the Forex market is a $6.6 trillion a day market. It trades 5 days a week, 24 hours a day. You see, in the Forex market, you're trading the value of different global currencies, like the pound, like the euro, like the US dollar, like the Canadian dollar, right? You're trading the value of those currencies, right? They go up and down. You make money going up and you can make money going down. This is a recession proof market, right? So a lot of people confuse this market with the stock market. You see, the stock market is a completely different asset class. It's a completely different financial market. So let's get that out the way. What do we all know about the stock market, right? Stock market trades about 22 billion a day. Stock market trades 5 days a week, and the stock market trades only about 8 hours a day, right? It's not as flexible as the Forex market. You see, the stock market has a couple of flaws, right, that the Forex market does not. The stock market has been open since the 1700s, and it's crashed and burned multiple times. I do not put my money there, right? In the stock market, you only make money when those companies make money, like Nike, Google, Amazon, Microsoft. When they make money, that's when you make money. I don't like that idea. I like the Forex market because the Forex market is recession proof and it's the largest financial market in the world, right? So let's jump right into it. See, this right here is the market, guys. So when I first saw this, I was like, what the heck is this? What language is this? Is this hieroglyphics? I don't like math. I don't like graphs. Get this out my face, right? But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how to trade Forex in 60 seconds. I'm going to show you how to trade the Forex market in 60 seconds, right? So pay close attention. So the market only moves in 2 directions, up and down. You see, all we're doing is we're buying low and we're selling high. That's it. We buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high. Very simple, basic economics. You see, I was doing this when I was reselling sneakers. Yeah, I was one of those guys waiting in line overnight. This is when you could actually wait in line overnight. I was waiting in line overnight for a pair of shoes, pair of Yeezys, $220 pair of Yeezys. And then later on that day, I would go on and sell those same Yeezys, those same shoes, right, for $800, $900, right? I was buying low, selling high. You do the same thing in the Forex market. Now, when do you buy and when do you sell? That's the key, right? That's the trick right there. When do you buy and when do you sell? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you 2 out of the 3 patterns that our investment group uses each and every week to profit in this market each and every week. And before I show you these patterns, all you need to know are your ABCs. Yes, if you know your ABCs, you can make money doing this, guys, right? So the W formation right here, it lets you know to buy the market. The M formation right here lets you know to sell the market, right? So some of you guys just caught it. When you find a pattern in the chart, that pattern tells you what's going to happen next. If you know what's going to happen next, you make money. So when I first saw this information, I'm like, okay, that's cute, that's amazing and all that, but how much money are we talking about? Right? Because remember, at the time I was 21, one-bedroom apartment with my whole family, working 2 jobs. I didn't have a lot of time. I didn't have a lot of money. So I couldn't make too many mistakes. I couldn't afford to make any mistakes with my money. So I asked, hey, how much money can I make doing this? You see, the average mindset thinks, how much does this cost? The 1%, the successful mindset thinks, how much can I make? So that's what I'm gonna do for you guys, because you guys are the 1%, right? I'm gonna show you 3 realistic examples as to how much money you're missing out on by not trading this market. So let's focus in on that M formation. How much money would you have made if you knew your ABCs, you saw that M formation in the market, right? How much money would you have made? Well, it's very simple. That M formation gave out a 70% return on your investment. Now, what the heck does that mean? That means you make money based on how much money you would have put down. You would have made back 70% on how much money you would have put down. So let's say you had $10. Everyone's got $10, right? So let's say you invested $10 on that trade. A 70% return on a $10 investment is $7 profit, right? You would have made $7. So now let me pause this entire video right now, right? If you're on this video to learn how to make $7, you're on the wrong video, right? I'm from New York City. $7 doesn't get me a good cup of coffee where I'm from. Let's think a little bit bigger. I'm talking to the 1% now. Talking to the 1%. Let's think a little bit bigger. Let's say you had invested $100 this time on the same trade. A 70% return on your $100 investment would have yielded you would have earned $70. See, now we're talking. I can go outside with $70. I could buy groceries with $70. Shoot, I could pay my phone bill with $70. The point of this is to compound your money, right? 70 here, 50 there, 30 here, 100 here. You compound your money. Why? Because when you have more money, you can play with bigger numbers. When you play with bigger numbers, you make more money. Now, pay close attention, because what I'm about to say is the reason you're even here in the first place, right? So let's say you compounded your money to the point where you actually invest $1,000. So a 70% return on that $1,000 investment just earned you $700. You didn't speak to anybody. You didn't step foot outside your door. You just made $700 from your phone, $700 from your laptop. Now, let me ask you one question. How different would your life look if you can make $700 from your phone? How different would your life look, right? What does that look like? What level of freedom could that afford you if you could make $700 from your phone without speaking to anyone and without stepping foot outside that door? You see, that's the type of freedom we facilitate for you. But you understand, more than anyone, in order to change your situation, you need some different information, right? And that information starts right here in our online course, right? So we have an online course that's going to teach you the ABC 1, 2, 3s of how to trade the Forex market, right? So you can come into this knowing absolutely nothing, just like I did when I started, right? And by the end of the course, you have all the information you need to become a successful, profitable trader. The course is relatively short. Most people get through it within their first 2 or 3 days. The videos are cut up in 4-minute and 5-minute intervals. Videos that are only 4 minutes and 5 minutes long. Very, very short, easy, and simple to follow, right? Now, you guys are probably much, much faster learners than I am. You see, when I'm learning something, I need somebody to hold my hand. I need somebody to say, hey, Ty, the blue button does this. Ty, the red button does that. You buy here, you sell here, and this is why. And even then, I'm going to have a bajillion questions for you. That's the type of learner that I am. I need somebody to hold my hand. Now, what if I told you you can have a millionaire holding your hand? You can have a millionaire mentoring you day in and day out on how to trade this market. What am I talking about? I'm talking about Go Live, right? So right here, this is a platform where you can have every hour on the hour, you can have a 6 or 7-figure trader educating you live. So they're going to share their screen, just like I am right now. You'll have a live chat on the right side of your screen so you can interact with millionaire traders on a day-to-day basis. So there's two types of sessions. There's a learning session where you get to learn the strategy. And then there's my favorite, the earning session, where you make money live with these traders. It doesn't get simpler than this. You have a millionaire trader sharing his screen, his or her screen. They're going to say, buy now or sell now. Get in or get out. Very, very simple. I'm going to tell you why this is important to me. You see, I actually used to attend the University of Buffalo in upstate New York. You see, I was a business major. I wanted to start a business. So logically, right? Logically, I go to my business professor and I ask him straight up, I say, Professor, I want to start a business. Where do you think I should start? You know what my business professor told me? My business professor looks me in my face and he says, you know what, Ty? I don't know. I never started a business, never ran a business, never managed a business. And it hit me. I was asking the right question to the wrong person. All he was doing all semester was reading out of an $800 textbook. I know because I paid for it, an $800 textbook. And he was saying, hey, class, good luck on the quiz Friday. He hadn't actually done the things he was teaching. So I looked at him and I said, Professor, how can you teach me how to do something that you've never done? You see, guys, someone that makes $2,000 a month can only show you how to make $2,000 a month. Because if they knew better, they would do better. That's why I appreciate the platform, because you get to learn from 6 and 7 figure traders on how to make 6 and 7 figures trading. You're not learning from someone with a theory, you're learning from someone with results, right? Now, speaking of results, the reason you see Forex all over social media, the reason your friend probably is showing you this video is because we put people in position to make money within their first few days. Now, how is that possible? How can someone with no experience at all make money trading Forex in their first couple of days? Well, it's very, very simple. We have 8 different scanners. We actually automate your trading. We help automate your trading. Automation is the future, right? So we have 8 different scanners. What these scanners do is they scan the market. These are 8 different algorithms, 8 different systems that scan the market and give you trade setups. So what you're looking at right now is one of them. This right here helped me retire at age 21 in 4 short months. I'm gonna tell you how, right? So the scanner scans for harmonic patterns. All you care about is the right side of the screen, guys. That's all you care about, right? The scanner gives you your entry, tells you when to get in, gives you your stop loss to protect your account, and it gives you your targets, your TPs, your take profits, right? The beautiful thing about this is that you set it and forget it. You set the trade, you forget the trade. You go about your day. The trade will automatically close for you once price hits your target. Now, how did I retire off of this, right? How did I retire? See, a common misconception about trading is that you got to be on your phone all day, or you got to be on your laptop all day, or you got to watch your trades all day. You see, that couldn't be further from the truth. I'm going to tell you how I did it. So I worked at Bank of America during the day, right? And at night, I worked at Skechers in Times Square, New York, just to support my family, right? I was working 14 hours a day sometimes, right? So now what I would do is in the morning, I would wake up, put on my suit to go to Bank of America, and I would open up the scanner, place a trade. I would get on the train, open up the scanner, place a trade. I would get on my lunch break, open up the scanner, place a trade. On my way to my second job, you guessed it, open up that scanner, place a trade. You see, there were days I was making more money from my phone than I was standing up for 14 hours working for somebody else. There were nights right before I went to sleep, I would open up the scanner, place a trade. I would wake up the next morning in profit. You see, I was literally making money in my sleep. You see, the famous Warren Buffett, one of the top billionaire investors in the world, he says you have to find a way to make money in your sleep, or you're going to be working till the day that you die. Find a way to make money in your sleep, or you'll be working till the day you die. You see, you just found a way to make money in your sleep. Now, the question is, are you going to take advantage of this opportunity, or are you going to let it slip through your fingertips? Right? We're going to talk about 2 more scanners, guys. There's 2 more scanners. We're not going to talk about all 8. We will be here all day, right? So the next thing we're going to talk about is a fan favorite, right? This is called Gold Cup. The beautiful thing about Gold Cup is that it's actually an application on your phone. It's an application on your phone, guys. So what it does is scans the market for you, populates a trade, and it'll send you notifications. It'll send you notifications right to your phone so that you never, ever miss a trade, right? So Gold Cup is over 85% accurate. It's over 85% accurate. You will never, ever miss a trade, right? You're always going to get that alert. So instead of getting that annoying text message from your friend who just tagged you in a TikTok challenge, right? You're getting that notification from Gold Cup letting you know you're about to make some money. Now, last but certainly not least, we have the big boy, right? This is the #1 app in the company, right? So this is called the Liberty app. So the Liberty app is actually composed of 3 systems, 3 accurate systems. So what they do is they pinpoint your entries so that you can create profits in minutes. So remember that $700 example we went over? Imagine being able to create and duplicate those type of results in minutes. That's possible with the Liberty app. This is why we're so confident when we say, you're gonna join this, you're gonna make money first, and you're gonna figure out why later. Now let me recap because I know I went over a lot of information. So what did we go over, right? We went over the Forex market itself. Largest market in the world, trades $6.6 trillion a day, right? We went over the course, right? The ABC 1, 2, 3s of Forex, right? All in 4-minute and 5-minute videos. Very, very short, right? We went over Go Live, live education from 6 and 7-figure traders. We went over the scanners that automate your trading, right? So you're gonna make money first, figure out why later. Now, how do you get access? How can you plug in? How do you get access to the course? How do you get access to Millionaire Mentorship? How do you get access to these scanners that automate your trading? Well, it's very, very simple, ladies and gentlemen. This is a pay-to-play system. So you can get the elite package, right? So what comes with the elite package? You get all of the education and you get all 8 of the scanners, right? All 8 of the scanners to put you in position to make money constantly, consistently. That's for $325. Now I'm gonna be 100% transparent here. When I first saw this information, I did not have that money. I could not afford $325, but I wasn't gonna let this opportunity pass me by. So what did I do? I got started with my last $200. So you can get that starter pack at the top. So what comes with the starter pack is your course, right? 4-minute, 5-minute videos, really, really short. The live education, right? Live trading sessions with millionaire traders. That's going to be your best friend. And that scanner, that one scanner, it's going to help you produce profits and automate your trading. You see, that right there was enough to help me retire in 4 months, right? That was more than enough to help me retire in 4 short months, right? And then it's going to be $175 a month to continuously get access to the course, to continuously get access to the live education, to continuously get access to that scanner. And I know exactly what you're thinking because I said the same exact thing. I said, I do not want to pay $175 a month. But you know, in the same breath, I made a decision. I said, I'm not going to let $175 stop me from making money. I'm not going to let $175 stop me from being successful. How can I let $175 stand in between me and millionaire mentorship? You see, if that's enough to stop you from being successful, then you might have to reevaluate what success really means to you. Now, I know for some people, it's not that black and white. It's not that cut and dry, especially with everything going on in the world today. Now, what if I told you you can get that fee waived? What if I told you you can get that for free? You see, here's when people start listening again, right? You can get that for free. How can you get it for free? We have a 2 and free program, right? We have a 2 and free program. So you're going to get your own personal referral link. You get the opportunity, the chance to actually recommend this to 2 friends. You recommend this to 2 friends, 2 actively paying customers, and you get a free account. You no longer pay any monthly fees as long as you have your 2 friends making money with you, right? So if you have 2 friends with a cell phone and they want to make money from that cell phone, you got a free account waiting for you. If you got 2 friends who are home bored, you have a free account waiting for you. If you have 2 friends that have seen every single Netflix movie, every single Hulu TV show, right? Did all 30 billion TikTok challenges, you have a free account waiting for you. All you got to do is plug in first. All you got to do is plug in. You see, it's only lonely at the top when you don't bring your friends with you. It's only lonely at the top when you do not bring your friends with you. Here, you get to make money with your friends and you get a free account when you do that. Now, Ty, that's amazing. I have 2 friends. I have 3 friends, actually. I want to tell my mom, my dad. I want to tell my cousins. I want to tell my aunt. I want to tell my uncle who actually just recently got unemployed. Can I tell them too? Absolutely. In fact, you have the option, keep in mind what I'm about to say is optional. You have the option of actually getting paid for bringing more people in. So when you recommend a third person, the company will actually pay you a referral fee. You actually get paid every single month for having those 3 people enrolled, right? This is called word of mouth marketing. The most successful businesses in the world, including our own, we don't put marketing dollars into commercials. Nobody watches TV. We don't put marketing dollars into billboard ads. Nobody cares what's on the side of the road. Those marketing dollars go right back into us, right back into the customer, right? That's why Uber gives you a referral link. They don't care about you getting that $5 off that next ride. Uber Eats gives you a referral link. They don't care about giving you that $5 off that next meal as long as you're bringing them a friend, right? Amazon, Airbnb, this is how the most successful businesses grow. So let's say those 3 people you enrolled, each enroll their own 3 people, right? They have their own 3 friends they each enrolled. Now you have 12 people within your organization, and you actually just ranked up to becoming a platinum 600. So now you're making $600 a month, $150 each and every Friday. This is on top of your trading income. This is in addition to your trading income. You have a residual income coming in every single week on top of your trading income. Keep in mind, this is 1000% optional. You do not have to tell a single soul about what it is that you're doing. See, me, myself, I took the opposite approach. I like to share the wealth. I like to share information. We always tell our best friends about when we see a decent movie or when we have a decent burger. So why not tell our friends about us making some money, right? I'm actually a chairman 25 within the organization, right? That is a $25,000 a month residual income, right? Me personally, I use that income to pay off the properties that I own, right? And I only have those properties thanks to the income I was able to make trading Forex. How could you not make money trading Forex? It's a $6.6 trillion a day market, right? So now let me recap because I know I went over a lot. We went over what Forex is, right? Largest financial market in the world, recession-proof market, you're trading global currencies. We went over the course. It's going to teach you the ABC 1, 2, 3s of how to trade Forex. We went over the live education, live trading sessions with millionaire traders. We went over 3 of the 8 scanners that we have that scan the market for you, automate your trading, put you in position to make money first and figure out why later. And we went over exactly how to get that for free. So what I need you to do now is the next 100 people that join the family, the next 100 people that join the organization will get access to this. You will get access to a 7-day profit plan that's going to put you in position to make money within your first week, guaranteed, or your money back, right? You're also going to get access to a system that will help you get a free account without explaining anything and without physically speaking to anybody, right? You will get that free account. We will prioritize that for you, but you got to plug in to get access. So what I need you to do is reach back out to the person who sent you this link because they trust, love, and respect you enough to want to share this information. Reach back out to the person who sent you this link and do not let them get rich alone. So with that being said, guys, that is the end of the presentation. My name is Ty Rodriguez. I appreciate your time and I respect your time. And I will see you guys at the top because the bottom is way too crowded. All right, guys, take care.